You love your dog and want the best for them. But even devoted owners sometimes make mistakes that put their furry friends at risk. Today, we uncover 6 common but dangerous mistakes. Stay until the end. Mistake number 1 could literally save your dog's life. One of the most common misunderstandings is that a quick trip outside for potty breaks is sufficient exercise. But for most dogs, especially breeds developed for working or hunting, this barely scratches the surface of their physical and mental needs. Their genetics cry out for a job to do. Without a proper outlet for their energy, the physical consequences can be severe. Inactivity is a leading cause of canine obesity, which puts immense strain on their joints and can lead to painful arthritis, heart problems, and a significantly shortened lifespan. That pent-up energy has to go somewhere, and it often manifests in destructive behaviors. This isn't your dog being bad, it's a cry for help. Chewing furniture, digging up the yard, or excessive barking are all signs of profound boredom, anxiety, and frustration. The solution is a routine that includes both physical and mental challenges. Aim for at least 30 to 60 minutes of vigorous physical activity each day, tailored to your dog's breed and age. This could be brisk walks, a game of fetch or running, and always let them sniff on walks. It's how they read their world. But physical exercise is only half the equation. Mental stimulation is just as vital for tiring them out. 10 to 15 minutes of brain games can be just as exhausting as a half-hour walk. Use puzzle toys, snuffle mats, or regular training sessions to work their mind and build their confidence. By meeting these fundamental needs, you're not just preventing problems, you're building a stronger, healthier bond with your companion. Remember the old saying, a tired dog is a good dog, but a fulfilled dog is a truly happy one. That loving gaze from under the dinner table is hard to resist. Sharing our food feels like sharing our love, but a little nibble from your plate can have devastating consequences. Many common human foods are not just unhealthy for dogs, they are dangerously toxic. Knowing what to avoid is a critical part of responsible pet ownership, ensuring your good intentions don't lead to an emergency. The list of forbidden foods is serious. Chocolate contains theobromine, which is poisonous to dogs. Grapes and raisins can cause sudden kidney failure. Onions and garlic damage red blood cells, leading to anemia. Be especially vigilant about xylitol, an artificial sweetener in products like peanut butter and sugar-free gum. For a dog, a small amount can trigger a catastrophic drop in blood sugar, seizures, and liver failure. Beyond specific toxins, rich fatty foods like bacon or greasy leftovers can overwhelm a dog's pancreas. This can trigger pancreatitis, a painful condition that often requires emergency veterinary care and can be fatal. Other hazards include cooked bones, which can splinter and cause choking or internal damage, and macadamia nuts, which can induce weakness, vomiting, and tremors. So, how can you show your love through treats safely? The best practice is to stick to treats specifically formulated for dogs. If you must share, some plain vegetables like carrots can be okay in moderation. But the golden rule is to always check with your veterinarian first. They can provide a list of safe options for your dog's specific health needs. Making informed choices is the truest way to treat your companion. Coming in at number 4 is a mistake that's incredibly common, yet so easy to overlook: ignoring dental health. We often dismiss doggy breath as a normal part of having a dog, but it's frequently the first sign of a problem brewing inside their mouth. It's estimated that over 80% of dogs over 3 suffer from some form of dental disease. Because dogs are masters at hiding pain, we might not notice until the condition is severe. So, what should you look for? Beyond bad breath, watch for yellow or brown tartar, red or swollen gums, and changes in eating habits like dropping food or chewing on only one side. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. Plaque hardens into tartar, irritating the gums and causing gingivitis. Left untreated, this progresses to periodontal disease, a painful infection that destroys the tissue supporting the teeth, leading to tooth loss. But the danger doesn't stop there. Bacteria from infected gums can enter the bloodstream, traveling throughout the body. This systemic spread can damage vital organs like the heart, liver, and kidneys, potentially shortening your dog's life. The good news is that prevention is manageable. The gold standard is daily brushing with a dog-specific toothpaste. Never use human toothpaste. If daily isn't feasible, aim for a few times a week. Supplement this with dental chews, toys, and diets approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, which are proven to help. For existing buildup, a professional veterinary cleaning under anesthesia is essential. Ultimately, your dog's mouth is a direct window into their overall well-being. A healthy mouth contributes to a longer, happier life. By making dental care a regular part of your routine, you're not just fixing bad breath, you're protecting their entire body from pain and disease. Yelling, hitting, or shock collars may stop a behavior, but they create fear, not trust. Fearful dogs can develop anxiety and problem behaviors. Dogs learn best through positive reinforcement. Reward the good, redirect the bad. A confident, happy dog is far more reliable than a fearful one. Many dogs suffer when left alone for long hours. Separation anxiety can lead to destructive chewing, non-stop barking, or self-harm. Consider a dog walker, daycare, or enrichment toys if you work long days. Dogs crave companionship and stimulation, not isolation. The biggest mistake? Not giving your dog proper identification. Collars can fall off. A microchip, a tiny device under the skin, can be scanned by vets and shelters. It's quick, safe, and could save your dog's life. Microchip and keep contact info current. Quick recap. Not enough exercise, unsafe foods, ignoring dental care, harsh training, too much alone, no ID or microchip. Avoid these mistakes for a healthier, happier best friend. Which surprised you? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly pet tips. Ever wondered how to keep your dog's mind as sharp as their tail is waggy? Introducing Brain Training for Dogs, the proven program that makes learning fun. With step-by-step games and positive reinforcement techniques, you'll see your dog become more focused, better behaved, and excited to learn. It's perfect for pups of all ages and breeds, no experience needed. Each lesson is easy to follow video guides and clear instructions. Ready to unlock your dog's full potential? Click the link in the description to get started with Brain Training for Dogs today.